Hey everyone, today I want to tell you how I made $100 in just 10 minutes using AI. If you want to see more videos about making money with AI, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So, first off, I was browsing on Freelancer looking for some work. This site is cool because you can check out job offers from people based on what skills you have, like Photoshop or editing. While I was scrolling through, I came across this offer that looked pretty interesting. It was for writing an article and getting paid for it.
I need someone to write an interesting article about America and its fire and a series of other topics. $20 per article.
I didn't know much about the topic, but I had a trick up my sleeve. I could let AI do the work for me. The post said verify, which means it's a secure job. In the details, the guy left his Telegram ID. So, I shot him a message saying, "Hey, I saw your offer on the site and I can do this for you. Just tell me the topics." It didn't take long for him to reply.
Hello, write the article and send the link to your wallet. If it is acceptable, we will deposit the money. America's fires, America's disasters, global warming in Los Angeles. What is September 11th? Ways to recover after a fire.
Then I jumped into the GPT 4 Telegram bot. It's this bot that can do pretty much anything you ask it to. I'll drop its Telegram ID in the description. I asked it to write an article on the topic I got from the guy. And it whipped up a complete and perfect article super fast. I just forwarded everything back to him in no time. I even sent him my wallet link. Three hours later, without any message from him, I got $100 deposited into my account. It was really quick and hassle-free. You guys can also hop onto Freelancer and tackle similar projects. There are tons of stuff like this that you can do with AI to make good money. If you want me to teach you more about making cash with AI, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.